You know that sinking feeling when your car just does not want to accelerate, struggles up hills, or blows excessive smoke out of the tailpipe. If you scanned your onboard computer and saw the code P217C, you are facing a fuel injector Group G circuit high error. Let us cut through the jargon. Your car's brain, the EECM, monitors the voltage going to your fuel injectors to make sure they open and close at the exact right millisecond. When it throws this code, it is saying, hey, the voltage on the injector circuit labeled Group G is way too high or stuck at a high value. It is not behaving the way I expect. This is a big deal because if the voltage is messed up, the injector might not be opening at all, or it might be erratic. Just like the previous code, this often leads to a lean condition where the engine is starving for fuel. I cannot stress enough how risky this is for your engine's health. A starving engine is a hot engine, and heat kills components. The Group G designation is just a label the manufacturer uses to identify which specific injector or pair of injectors is acting up. You will absolutely need to look up a diagram for your specific engine to find out which physical injector is Group G. Once you find it, start with the basics. Since these harnesses sit on top of a hot engine block, they are prone to physical damage. Look for wires that might have rubbed against a sharp metal edge and shorted out, or insulation that has melted. Another common culprit is moisture. If you have washed your engine bay recently or driven through heavy rain, water might have trapped itself in the injector connector, causing the electrical signals to go haywire. Disconnect the plug, inspect the little metal tabs inside, and clean them out. If you are handy with a multimeter, you can check the voltage coming from the computer and the resistance of the injector itself. You are basically checking to see if the injector has failed internally or if the computer is sending out a bad signal. Do not just throw parts at it. Trace the wire. A 10-minute visual inspection could save you from buying an expensive injector you did not actually need. It is usually a mechanical failure in the wiring or the connector, so be diligent and check those connections tight.